चलो चलो चलो
अंदर जाओ
चलो हो गया अभी लेने वाला है उसको चलाने नहीं आता अभी लेने वाला मैं मेरे को बाद में देख यार मैम यहाँ पर देख के सर सही है
Okay, ready?
या आप लगा और एक बार इधर लगी आग लगी रुक जाओ हमारा फास्ट तो ऐसा नहीं चलता मैम यहाँ पर लोग दीजिए ना कौन है भाई शक्तिमान क्या मैम कितना होता है जस्ट अगर वीडियो वाली हो मैम क्या हो मैम जस्ट हो गया 5 मिनट क्या काम हो जाए अच्छे मालूम पड़ रहा है कि फ्लैश हो कितना स्लो है थैंक यू भाई चले पर
Thank you. Thank you.
How excited are you? Like lockdown के बाद again at the Miss India stage. So how excited are you?
You know, I was just saying that, in fact, I don't think I've been out on a red carpet or been in front of the media all dressed up for an event in a really long time. So this is really nice, and I've been here before as a judge. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to it, and it's nice, you know, to see the girls go through the whole emotional up and down and the whole thing through one evening, and it's nice. It's going to be fun.
Okay, what do you like to see about such platform like Miss India?
You know, I've always said that, and I was, in fact, walking and I was talking to one of the Times group people that as when we were in college and we used to sit and watch Miss India, I was like, my God, I want to be in this someday, you know. And I think this is probably the 4th year that I have been a judge here. So yes, I think it is iconic. Miss India has always been iconic, and it still remains a really important property when it comes to you know, talent and beauty. And so it's a great platform, and it's only gone bigger and bigger every single year. So yes, I mean, this is pretty much it. Miss India. Yeah.
जज करने वाली तो क्या कुछ देखने वाली हैं आप सब मॉडल्स क्या कुछ आप
You know, I think मैं यही कहती हूँ कि जो सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ होती है लड़की हो या लड़का, I mean anybody, anyone, any age, is the confidence that they have. That is what makes you really attractive, more than, you know, how you're looking, and of course all that is good, but that inner confidence and that belief that you have in yourself, I think that is beautiful. So that is the one thing that I will be looking out for. Not overconfidence, because that is a put off, but just the right amount, you know, when you're sure of yourself. So that'll be nice.
okay, lastly what do you want to say to all the fans and viewers and what all projects are in pipeline?
There's this one film that we finished shooting last year, in before, so pre and post COVID, we finished it. It is called Bob Biswas with Abhishek Bachchan, and that is ready for release this year. Hopefully, we should be able to be in a theater, maybe. Let's see. And there's something else that I will start shooting, a woman-centric film, and yeah, that's what I have. Thank you. Thank you. We done?
देख पीछे क्लास
पता नाही म्हणतो काय करताय तुम्ही काय करताय
स्नेहल आ रही है
नेहा जी
स्नेहल
या थैंक यू
अरे अजय क्या कर रहा है
हाँ अंदर आओ कहाँ पे बाहर आ जाओ
Hold for bite.
Please photo में धर 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 वो गया, वो वाला माइक गया, वो वाला माइक, वो वाला माइक. What is she saying? Credits for?
How does it feel like after lockdown, back to the stage of Miss India?
Listen, it's absolutely fantastic. I think the last event we did before lockdown happened was also something to do with the Times of India. If I'm not wrong, I think it was Filmfare or one of those mega events, and then lockdown happened. I'm actually quite taken aback because we've done an event after a year, and we're talking to you all of you in person. Good to see everybody healthy and smiling and happy. I don't know if they're smiling behind the mask, but it's great, and it's such a great event to come back to. Miss India also has its own legacy, and as a mentor, I've been representing this position for 5 years now, and it's great to see that our girls are doing so well, and I'm excited to see who wins tonight.
So what would you like to say about such platform like Miss India?
I mean, there's very little that you can take away in the goodness of the platform, because we've been around for for what, 60 years, over 60 years now, 57 years. So we've been here for 57 years, and no matter what, no matter how busy or how much time you have at hand, you're always waiting to hear who the next Miss Indias are, and that's exactly what the nation is going to be doing in a few hours from now.
Okay, lastly, any sort of tips you want to give to all the country?
I say this every year, and I feel like I have a right to say this now more than ever, because I have been a pageant mentor for exactly half a decade. Wow. I just want them to be themselves. The reason why they take away from being themselves is this preconceived notion they have about a pageant. But when we have our one-on-one interviews, that goes for a very high scoring as to what happens today. So आज जो आप देख रहे हैं, इसके पहले हम सब लड़कियों को already मिल चुके हैं. We've had one-on-one interviews with them. हम continuously उनको यही advice देते हैं, because if you're talking about walking well, they have trainers. If you're talking about dressing well, they have the best designers dressing them. If you're talking about looking a certain way, they all have it on a platter. What makes them different is their individual personality. Don't gun for something that somebody else is saying, and maybe because of that answer koi jeeta hai. Because what we're looking for is who can actually which female can actually be the future of our nation. And sometimes it's not as high pressure as they make it out to be. We just need them. I just want them to relax and shine on that day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.